my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning motivation and lifestyle videos. Today I'm going to be doing a mini spring summer haul for my kids' clothes. I went into Walmart just to pick up a few grocery things, and a couple of items caught my eye. This is not the complete collection. I am nowhere near done shopping for them, but they really did have some cute stuff. It's not too many places we can go since we're still on quarantine, so I have to make do. So I picked up a couple of things for all three of them. I'll start with just those first. So basically I just picked up 5 summer dresses. They were $4.96 each. This one is a green with flowers on them. This is her favorite. It's the blue with the unicorns on them. Multicolored stripes. It reminds me of like zebra print, but just colorful zebra print. Pink with hearts. I think this is just so cute. Like the hearts are scrolled in. And then we have the juggle flamingo print. This print is very popular. I'm seeing this print everywhere. I'm thinking it is the theme for this summer, because I even got decorations for Mother's Day in this type of theme. Then I picked up 2 capri pants. They're just like legging capri pants for her and one gray pair. Then I picked up, again, this print is so cute. These colors are so vibrant on this capri. So the dresses are in a 7/8 because she's tall, but then these are in a 6/6X because she is slim. Then I just picked up some basic camis or white beaters, whatever you want to call it. She has a white one, pink one, and a neon orange one, and these are all sizes small, so which is a 6/6X. Next up is Malachi. Malachi, I didn't really get him too much. Basic green t-shirt. This is in a size 6'7", so I know it's going to be big on him. And I also got a black one in a 6 or 7. And these were $3.98, but it feels like it's good quality. It's Wonder Nation, so I think they make like uniforms and stuff like that too. And then Giselle's, didn't say the price. These camis was $2.98, and then the capris was $3.98, so very affordable. Then we have these shirts for him. All of them are in a size small, 6'7". Like to buy his stuff a little bit bigger so we can continue to use them next year. So the first one, and all of these was $5.98. We have a gray shirt with multicolored skull, and the skull does have headphones on. Then we have this print, hieroglyphics. It says ready to skate. It is a navy blue. This is his favorite shirt. It is black with the dinosaur, and it says wild, and then it says roar. Then the last thing I picked up for him was this white shirt with a whale. It says we rock the waves, surf paradise. Then it says shark. And then for Nasir, I just picked up 3 things for him. They didn't really have too much, and then he still has stuff left over from Malachi. So he has this. It says Smart Hero, cool, awesome. It's just a little tank, and this was $2.88. Then I bought him 2 pairs of just basic shorts here, and these were $3.88. I got them in 12 months, and they fit just past the knees for him. So I got him a black pair and a gray pair, and you can pretty much style these with anything. So that is everything that I got. I can't wait to see them in it and for the world to open back up so I can go get more stuff for them, because they need shoes. They outgrew all their shoes during this time, and they need some more just basic pieces. I want to keep it very basic this summer. This is probably the wildest print that I'll get. Everything else will be pretty nice and chill, so we don't have too many summer plans that require us to get dressed up. So that is all. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.